I'm Sammy from Peggy Peg, and today I want to show you how we apply our 270 kit. First of all, we show you at our pavilion or gazebo, how you want to call it, and then also at an awning tent on the other side next to us. In this kit we packed 3 of our tie straps, meaning that you can additionally secure your gazebo, your 270 awning or your tent awning to the ground. And so that you are able to click it onto the material, we included 3 of our crocodiles, and together with the U-connector you can then basically clamp it onto any material that you have and strap it down and secure it additionally. In the set are also 3 different packs, meaning that it doesn't matter where you travel, you will always have a pack depending on the ground situation. In this case we have our N pack. This is suitable for 85% of all the ground types. You can also see that it didn't go in all the way into the ground, and this is why we used our hook to just secure the spring and the height adjustability, of course. As long as the pack grips, it doesn't need to go in further, and you will see when you put in the torch setting that your electric driller, or also when you drill it in by hand, it's like bending slightly, and then you should just stop drilling further into the ground, then it's not necessary. We also packed different screws into it, in different packs. Our long pack, this is the L, it's for loose conditions, sandy ground. The looser the ground, the deeper you have to go into the ground to find grip. This is why we include this one. And for the extreme hard ground conditions, we also have our hardcore. This one is hammered in and later screwed out. And yeah, the harder the ground, you don't need to go in that far. You will find grip also in very rocky conditions. We also included the T-connector, meaning that you are flexible using either the U-connector or the T-connector. If you have an awning tent with the pins on top, you can use it instead of sliding it into the original rail. You can use this hole here and pin it onto the top and then strap it forward and strap it down and additionally pack your tent awning to the ground. And you have an additional security. And this is basically it. We're going to show you in detail now. I promised you that we would show you also in detail how to, for example, fix an annex or caravan awning with our 270 kit. As I told you, it's a really universal kit, meaning you can also additionally secure pavilions or gazebos, annex or caravan awnings, air annexes, I don't know if you would call them like that, or air tents, or your 270 awning. So it's very universal. I also forgot to mention before, there's also the tool in there so that you can screw either the pegs by hand or with your electric driller. As you can see, If we now fix it to this annex, we have these pins on the top. And for these pins, we need, instead of the crocodile and the U connector, we need now our T connector. And then we connect it here through the hole. The hole goes basically over the pin, and then we can strap it down to the front and peg it down. And in this case now, I extended the tie strap all the way, meaning, or almost all the way. It is 1.5 to 3 meter extendable, and this one is now almost 3 meters long, just because in the middle we need it to be a little bit higher, because it's quite high up. So as you can see, I needed a little ladder or a step to even reach. And it was raining before, so the ground softened a bit. Let's see how far the peg goes in. As you know, we don't have to go in all the way. We can feel that it bounces a little bit back if it's already tight in the ground, and then we can basically stop screwing, as you can see. And also always put your driller onto the torque setting. This way you can also hear it clicking through when you're instead of over twisting and overturning it. So this would, for example, go as far as it goes here. Let's see how it goes on a different location. And you can see it bounces back, so just stop screwing and set the hook to the lowest point possible, so that your spring can't slide upwards anymore. And this is basically it. This way you can additionally secure your camping gear. Bye, thanks for watching.